Objectives of internal check system. So what is internal check? Checking our system internally. What is the objective? Objective is to detect an error, say detect error and detect fraud in the any case. So when we are checking internal checking error, we need to remove fraud if there we need to find. Second, to avoid and minimize the possibility of commission error and fraud by any stuff. Omission error, commission error, that kind of error we need to omit. And if fraud is there, we need to find it. Second, increase the efficiency of the staff working in the organization. When we check, the staff will work effectively, complete their task at time. Locate the responsibility areas and stages, responsibility stages where actual fraud occurs. So when we check, we can see this is the stage fraud occurs. We can find and we can document it. Prevent and avoid misappropriation of cash. Cash is the liquid possible high risk area. Prevent and avoid a error. We are following that. Protect the integrity of the business by ensuring that accounts are always subject to proper scrutiny and check. So by the way checking, we can protect our business. Not only that, the proper scrutiny and proper checks always ensure we can help our business in a very great level.